Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you want to be stylish with an amazingly beautiful tote bag, but also have the convenience of having a bag that is water resistant and that sand brushes right off of? Then you are going to love this tote bag that I got from Isla and Kai. I got the navy colored bag. This is so stylish. I love the stripe design on it with the little waves. This also folds up really nicely and goes into the pouch that comes with it. Bonus, the pouch can actually be snapped into the inside of the bag. I love that. You can either use it by itself or just put it in the bag as an extra pocket. And it's very lightweight, so it makes it really easy to put into your luggage. You don't have to worry about it weighing too much or taking up too much space. This was amazing for my recent trip to Hawaii, especially since we were in downpours a few times and this kept everything inside perfectly dry. This is super well made. In fact, it's lined and the stitching is very tight on it. As a seamstress, that's always something that I look for, and I appreciate the quality of this bag. I think you're going to be so happy that you have this bag with you on vacation. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.